Come with us and we'll show you how the Futures family house is built fast and easily from the Isotech's intelligent building elements. Having finished the foundation, the wall elements, which are connected to each other in a Lego-like way, are easy to conjunct. The environment-friendly Isotech building elements contain recycled plastic envelopes, and by the use of them, the masonry's massiveness have been increased. The outer inner expanded polystyrene layers ensure the excellent heat insulation, while the concrete core ensures the strong wall structure. For short, the Isotech intelligent building elements can be called for heat-insulated in-wall remaining formwork as well. It is important to note that care must be taken to a greater extent at the deposition of the first array of the vertical and horizontal planes. After this, walling is a cakewalk thanks to the size precision of the elements. The locations of the windows and doors assigned on the plans must be omitted, about which the Isotech lintel and its ironwork suit accurately, guaranteeing the thermobridge exemption. The masonry must be reinforced according to its static demand, of which measurement is minimal in the case of a single-story home. The wall structure will be filled with semi-pliable concrete. We recommend for private builders to process in a 2-3 layers tempo. As we have got up to the ceiling level, we put the Isotech ring elements on the uppermost wall layer and we make up the ceiling's propping. The new, innovative Isotech Professional ceiling block ensures an even easier and more precise building in, thanks to the joint points designed in every direction. If the elements measure cut pre-concreted and pre-reinforced are delivered to the building site, the support can be decreased on a minimal level. After the fitting in of the thermal insulated ceiling blocks, the ceiling reinforcements will be fitted in, which connect closely to the ring reinforcement. After the laying out of the iron net comes the 5 cm thick concrete layer. The Isotech Professional ceiling system is suitable to bridge even a 12.5 meter span. After the removal of the ceiling reinforcement, let's come to the forming of the roof. After having structured the cables, the making of the first level won't be difficult, which should be reinforced and concreted according to its static demand. After the mounting of the beams and rafters, the easily joinable high-solidity Isotech roof elements will be piled up. The roof element substitutes the thermal insulation, the underlay foil, the roof slat and the struts, which decreases the labor requirement of the roof's construction to a great extent. Around the chimney, when styling the exit opening and the dormer windows, a wooden frame matching the size of the opening has to be placed. After this, there is only the roof tiling left. According to the design of the Isotech roof element, we can use overlapping burnt or concrete tiles, taking into consideration the 33-34 cm slat distance. The wall structure's outside covering can be performed by dry-fit system, pin rendering, by sticked stone cover or by various wooden covers. The electric wires, the conduits, the pipes and the building engineering tubes are run in the groups, having been cut in the 5 cm thick polystyrene layer. The wall groups can be molded, sand and noise-free, without carving with the aid of a thermoknife. The descent pipe of a larger drain pipe has to be placed in the cavity of the wall before concreting. The inside covering of the walling can be glued with flexible tile adhesive or plasterboard adhesive, or screwed on a batten framework automatic white coat tile lining ordinary plaster. In our short movie, we have shown you how the Futures family house is made of Isotech intelligent building blocks. As you could see, our technology is characterized by fast, simple and clean implementation, by the earthquake-safe structure, and by the most important thing, by far the best thermal insulation. All these are available on a competitive price. As you could see in our short film, our firm offers 25 to 50 cm thick walls, gratifying those who have a demand for a passive, that is, heating-free houses. Thank you very much for your attention.